Okay, Brittany, now that we've blown out your hair, we're gonna finish off that smooth silky polish with our Express Ion Smooth Plus. First thing you wanna do is section the front from the back. So you'll go top of the head to just behind the ear, clip the rest of the hair away for control. Spray each section with hot off the press. Comb that section to detangle. Hold my iron right to the base and work my way down the section. Continue working up the head, comb through the section to detangle, spray hot off the press, and again, starting at the base and slowly working my way down. Diagonal section, hot off the press. And then we are at our last section on this side, hot off the press, comb to detangle, beginning right at the base, slowly move down that section. Now that we've finished the front, we're gonna move to the back. I'm gonna split the back section from the top of the head to the center of the nape. Then I'm going to work in diagonal sections and work all the way from the bottom of the section to the top. Spray the section with hot off the press, comb to detangle, starting at the base, work my way down. Clip the hair away for control, spray with hot off the press, start at the base, and work our way down the section. The reason I like to use diagonal sections is because it actually helps give a more natural fall and lets me get right to the base of the hair. So I have silky smooth hair all the way from the base to the ends of the hair. Now it's your turn. First step is to section for the front from the back. You're gonna go from the top of your head to just behind the ear. Just to make it easy, I'm gonna have you spray your entire front section with the hot off the press. Take your first diagonal section. You can use your fingers if it's easier or a comb. And work our way down the section. Bring down your next section. All right, the last section on the top. So now you're gonna work through the back of the section. The first step is to spray the whole section with hot off the press. Drop your first section and you'll clip the rest away for control. Now we're going to use our Express Ion Smooth Plus, pull that section forward, and you're going to smooth all the way from the base to the end. And then smooth it out. Okay, Brittany, last section on the top. Nice and slow, all the way through to the end. So this is dry wax. It's going to give you texture and definition. It's a long-lasting hold with a movable finish. Emulsify that in my hands. Work through starting with all the little flyaways and working that through the ends.